Why you must stop pleasing others to win. You said yes again, and somewhere inside, a piece of you just died. You didn't want to do it. You didn't have the energy. You didn't even agree with it. But you said yes because disappointing someone felt worse than disappointing yourself. That's the problem. Every time you betray yourself to keep someone else comfortable, you teach your brain one dangerous lesson. Their needs matter more than yours. Last time, we talked about how people-pleasing quietly destroys your life. Today, we're fixing it. Because the one thing that makes someone truly unstoppable isn't confidence, talent, or motivation. It's self-respect. Self-respect changes everything. Confidence says, I can do this. Self-respect says, I matter. Confidence helps you perform. Self-respect decides what you'll tolerate. Without self-respect, every yes is a tiny surrender. With self-respect, every no becomes a victory. So why do we give it away so easily? Because it usually starts in childhood. Most of us learned that love had conditions. Be good, be quiet, don't cause problems, make everyone happy. Then you'll be accepted. Then you'll be loved. That child grew up, but the programming stayed. Now, approval feels like oxygen. A compliment makes you feel alive. A criticism ruins your day. Someone's disappointment feels like a threat. And that's the trap. You're not chasing connection. You're chasing relief from anxiety. You want everyone happy with you because their approval temporarily calms your nervous system. But that relief always comes with a price. You lose yourself. Real self-respect begins with one brutal truth. Not everyone has to like you. In fact, if everyone likes you, there's a good chance you've erased parts of yourself to make that happen. You've become easier to accept, but harder to recognize. So here's step one. Separate your worth from other people's opinions. Their opinion is weather. You are the mountain. People will praise you. People will criticize you. Some will stay. Some will leave. The mountain doesn't move. Neither should your sense of worth. Step two. Replace people-pleasing with people-respecting. Those are completely different things. People-pleasing says, I'll sacrifice myself so you feel comfortable. Respect says, I'll tell the truth and trust that we can handle it. Respect chooses honesty over comfort. It means saying, I can't do that. It means saying, I disagree. It means saying, that doesn't work for me, even when your voice shakes. Because people-pleasing avoids conflict. Respect survives conflict. Step three. Set boundaries before you're angry. A boundary created in calm becomes a rule. A boundary created in rage becomes a wound. Don't wait until you're exhausted. Don't wait until resentment takes over. Decide early what is okay and what isn't. Then communicate it clearly. Step four. Learn to let people be disappointed. This changes everything. Because disappointment is uncomfortable, but it is not dangerous. Your nervous system may treat someone's frown, silence, or irritation like a threat. It isn't. You are safe. Someone else's emotions are not your emergency. You can disappoint people and still be a good person. You can say no and still be kind. You can protect your peace and still be loving. And finally, step five. Keep promises to yourself before promises to everyone else. Every broken promise to yourself sends your brain a message, I don't matter. But every kept promise, even a tiny one, rebuilds trust with yourself. Wake up when you said you would. Take the walk. Read the page. Do the workout. Make the call. Keep the promise. Brick by brick, day by day. This is how self-respect compounds. Not through motivation, not through big speeches, through evidence, through proof. Unstoppable people are not fearless. They still fear rejection. They still hate disappointing people. The difference is this. They stopped negotiating with their fear.
They feel the fear and move anyway. That's courage. Not the absence of fear, the decision that your values matter more than your discomfort. So here's the mindset shift. Stop asking, will they approve of this? Start asking, would I respect myself for doing this? Because the only approval that compounds over a lifetime is your own. People pleasers optimize for being liked today. Unstoppable people optimize for being respected for decades. Every time you choose truth over comfort, boundaries over guilt, and self-respect over approval, you're casting a vote for the person you're becoming. That's the compound interest of self-respect. Small, boring, daily. Until one day you wake up and realize something incredible. You are no longer controlled by everyone's opinions. You no longer abandon yourself to keep the peace. You became someone solid, someone steady, someone unmovable. So today, pick one yes you've been afraid to turn into a no. Say it. Feel the fear. Let it pass. That's the rep. Do it enough times and you'll stop being someone people can move. You'll become unstoppable. If this hit you, subscribe to The Real Fix, because we don't just name the problem, we fix it. And I'll see you in the next one.